simplify 5 square root of 3 over square root of 5. Here we need to multiply top and bottom of the fraction by square root of 5 over square root of 5 to eliminate radical 5. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 would be equal to square root of 25, or just 5. And at the top of the fraction we get 5 square root of 3 times 5 would be 15. Now we can reduce the 5, so we have just square root of 15. So if you have only one term under the radical, in this case radical 5, you multiply it by itself. Let's take a quick look at another example where we have more than one term under the radical. So in this case we have 5 radical 3 over square root of 5 plus 1. Here we have to multiply top and bottom of the fraction by conjugate of square root of 5 plus 1, which is square root of 5 minus 1. We do this because a plus b times a minus b would be equal to a squared minus b squared, like a difference of square. So in this case our a would be square root of 5 and our b is going to be 1. So at the bottom of the fraction I would have square root of 5 square minus 1 square. Square root of 5 square would be simply equal to 5. At the top of the fraction we have 5 square root of 3 times square root of 5 minus 1. So we get 5 minus 1 at the bottom of the fraction, or just simply 4. At the top of the fraction we can distribute, we get 5 square root of 15 minus 5 square root of 3. We want to make sure that we reduce this at the end if it's reducible. In this case it's not. So if you have one term at the bottom of the fraction, you multiply it by itself to eliminate the radical. If you have two terms under the radical, you need to multiply by its conjugate. As you see, these square would reduce the radical.